So yes, welcome to this unboxing video. Welcome to this unboxing video of this iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yeah, Bell ruined my unboxing experience. They took off the plastic. But who cares? But let's get this. I already took out the charger though, so E. But the phone never took off the plastic. Waited for the unboxing video to take off the plastic, the cardboard or whatever, the wax paper. Look at this box, so thin. So yeah, this is going to be my new camera. I am recording with the S20 Plus right now. And yes, autofocus is not that good on this, so I got this iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's do the slow-mo on this one. Wait, slow-mo. Oof. Look at that. We got this. If you want to know what's in there, there's this cheap cardboard. And yep, Apple literally took out the charger because this is of the environment. Yeah, they didn't really save the environment for that because they included an extra box. So Apple better. Apple never saved the environment. So yep. But they did reduce the boxes like this. See right here. E. Never took out the plastic yet. I took out the charger thing though because I just really wanted to plug it into the brick that I got very early on when I heard they're taking out chargers. Recyclable. At least they changed the material for this. The Apple in California or whatever. California. I'm recording with one hand. Trying to use my tripod, but whatever. Oh yes, look at this. The main seller for this Apple sticker. Oh yes, look at that. That's the blue cameras. Let's get that ASMR shot. That ASMR peel. Let's go. Oof. Yeah. iPhone. Yeah, I got my fingerprints on it already. Yes. Opened. You can see me. My hair's a mess right now. Okay, got that. Don't need to set it up because Bell already did it. Bell. So yeah, Bell already set it up, but well, that was a very short video. So let me put all this stuff back, and then I'll come back to you. So yes, I'm back. And Mittens, my cat, is behind me making shit ton of noise, taking out, making a mess. So, iPhone 12. Let me use my Face ID. Grab my name tape and my password. Done. So yeah. So yeah, woo, see me recording. My hair's still a mess. But see you later. Like and subscribe. Bye.